Welcome back everybody to Fire and Lemon. In today's video, we're going to install our toe kicks all along here and address a few items that my wife has kindly pointed out for me. So stick around. In last week's video you saw me put all the plumbing in for the sink. So now I have an operational sink. Drains are in. Everything's good. I still have to do my RO, still have to do my trim. I get it. Hopefully we'll get to that this weekend too. I did install my dishwasher and over there's the microwave. I got them all done. So excellent. So one thing I did forget to mention is the handles. I have to put in all my handles still, right? They're everywhere. So beautiful handles. And to do that, I bought myself a new tool. Kind of an odd looking contraption, but basically it's adjustable, of course, to wherever you want to place. These are drill jigs. So I've already measured it for here. So this is a stop to go up, and this is a stop to go back. And in place, drill, and I go around and do all of them like that. Now the drawers are going to be different because they're in the middle, so I readjust for all that. So I have all that to do. I have the toe kicks to install, and my wife was very kind to make a list of items that have either been missed or have to be fixed, because I'm not a professional, but anyways, I like to do things. So anyways, here's the list. So she's prepared for me. Let's see. Yeah, there's a few things on here, but you know what? We're going to get to these things. So I guess enough stalling, enough coffee. Let's get going. keep saying I'm no professional. So here's one of the items on my wife's punch list. See, there's a hole there. When I cut these two pieces, I messed up. I cut them, instead of cutting them this way, I cut them this way. No big deal. From this side, you don't know. It's just a little hole there. So I cut a piece and I'll just glue it in place up here, and then I'll just have to put a little caulking there and touch up paint. But no loss, no big deal. Okay, that is one thing done. On to the next. we have a problem, guys. Look, it's supposed to be indented. No good. Looks like I need a gable end here. Oh boy. And I'm out of these clips. One just broke here, but I'm out of clips. I can't finish. Onto a different thing. Window, maybe. So remember these? A few videos back we unboxed them, but they're too wide. So I have to take off about 1 1/8 of an inch from both sides, and then it'll fit. Okay, let's try it out. It's pretty good. Two done. Oh no. I also leveled it too. 3 done. Alright, let's go up top. Nice. No leaks. Nope. That's my arrow. Two things there. Got that. And got this. Okay, looks better. Now I gotta tape up the, paint up the little spots there, if you can see it. Paint those up and that's done. Okay guys, we got some things done, our drawer inserts and that done. We've got our crown molding. Got my little pieces put in, my RO put in. Let's see, drawer inserts. Got the fridge done. Wow. Okay, so it's still a long list left, but we got a lot done. We did run out of the clips for the toe kick, so I couldn't finish that. And what else? Oh, screws. I need longer screws for all the drawers. So that's next week's video. But hey, we're getting there. The list is getting shorter. And I don't know if I've deserved this or not, but it's beer o'clock right now. Good stuff. Hey, listen guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. It does mean a lot. I'm getting so close to the finish line. I can't wait. And you know what? As I get closer, the pressure to get there is a lot more too. So, hey, I think maybe in another week, we'll have this thing wrapped up. I can't wait. Thanks for watching, guys. And until next video, we'll see you then.